Today, we free our breath. We'll be training our breath-holding abilities and increasing our carbon dioxide tolerance.
Think of this as interval training for your lungs. We'll engage in multiple rounds of breath retention while shortening the rest periods in between each hold, making them progressively more challenging. If you struggle with this exercise, we recommend trying other practices available on the channel and slowly working your way up in a way that's safe, comfortable, and fun for you. And now, let's begin.
Find a comfortable position. Laying down is the most relaxing posture to practice in. Engage in diaphragmatic or belly breathing. Breathe in and feel your belly blow out. Exhale and feel your belly going in. There may be distractions in your environment. Consider closing your eyes and tuning inward. We will be nose breathing throughout this entire exercise. Keep your mouth closed at all times. Continue breathing slowly and calmly until the first hold. Do a body scan to release any tightly held muscles. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Breathe in to about 80%. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Halfway there. Recover. Regain your calm and await the next hold. The slower and quieter your breath, the more control you'll have over time. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Continue breathing diaphragmatically. If you're easily distracted like I am, remember to come back to your breath. In and out. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Remember why you showed up to this practice today. Find your breath. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale to 80%. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Great focus. Keep going. You got this. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Big inhale. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Coming up, hold in 15. Exhale that last breath. Slowly inhale. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, hold. Recover. Extended recovery. Great work! To measure your progress, attempt a max hold in a few minutes. Good luck, be smart, and happy breathing.